Dissolution of partnership. Winding up a company, how to dissolve a business. Ending a business or partnership can be challenging and emotional process. I am KP Brad from Solution Law, and today I'll guide you through the steps of dissolving a business while protecting your interest. Step 1. Decide on the type of dissolution. The dissolution process varies depending on whether it is a partnership, corporation, or sole proprietorship. The first step is agreeing on the type of dissolution and its terms. At Solution Law, we help draft clear and fair agreements that outline how assets, liabilities, and responsibilities will be divided. Step 2. Notify stakeholders. Transparency is key. Notify creditors, clients, and employees about the decision to dissolve the business. This step helps maintain trust and ensures compliance with legal obligations. We assist in drafting formal notices to ensure all stakeholders are properly informed. Step 3. Settle debts and distribute assets. Before dissolving, all outstanding debts must be settled. Assets are then distributed according to the terms outlined in your dissolution agreement or company bylaws. Our team ensures compliance with Alberta's legal requirements, so no details are overlooked. Step 4. File necessary paperwork. Dissolving a business requires filing the appropriate paperwork with provincial and federal authorities. This includes final tax returns and deregistration of the business. At Solution Law, we guide you through every step to ensure all legal and tax obligations are met. Step 5. Address potential disputes. Disagreements during dissolution are common, whether it's over debts, assets, or terms. Having a legal support can prevent escalation. We offer mediation and, if required, litigation services to resolve disputes quickly and fairly. Step 6. Plan for the future. The end of one business often marks the beginning of a new chapter. We are here to help you transition smoothly and plan your next steps. Dissolving a business is never easy, but with right guidance, you can move forward with confidence. At Solution Law, we are here to support you every step of the way. Solution Law, your trusted partner in business law.